Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. As you would be knowing that PFRDA Grade A Phase 2 result has been announced and congratulations to those who were able to make it. Now, many of the aspirants would be worried about how to prepare for the interview stage. So for that purpose, EduTap is launching its exclusive interview guidance program. As a part of this program, what you will be getting, first of all, of course, there will be mock interview with a distinguished panel, right? And this is going to be the panel, right? This is something that you can see on the provided link also. The link will be given in the description box and you can see these details, right? Apart from that, basically, we will be adding you to a Telegram group also. Now, this Telegram group, right? This will be including the other PFRDA cleared candidates also, right? And you with these candidates you can interact, right? That is going to help you a lot as a part of your preparation. Then thirdly, you will be provided with email and phone support also for all your queries, right? And apart from that, you will be getting the biodata form filling and interview mannerism videos also. For example, body language, also sort of things, right? Now, how you have to register? First of all, you will have to fill the registration form, right? This registration form link you will be getting in the description box only. ठीक है, तो वहां पर लिंक होगा, उसको क्लिक करके आप इस फॉर्म को सबमिट कर सकते हो. Now, will there be any kind of fees? The answer is yes. First of all, those category of students who are already enrolled as a part of our any of the PFRDA grade A courses, right? तो उनको कोई फीस नहीं देनी है. For them it is free of cost. But those students who are not already enrolled in any other course, they will have to pay this fee of rupees 999. Right, this is something that you'll have to pay. Once you're done with that, you will upload your DAF, right? You will schedule a mock interview, right? And basically you will be added to this Telegram community also, as I told you earlier, right? And as I told you, this is going to be the panel, this is the form, right? And if you have any other questions related to this interview guidance program, you can go through this website and you can see there are so many FAQs that we have added. For example, what is going to be included, how the Telegram group you can join, right? How the Telegram group is going to help you, right? Then apart from that, can I skip any part of this program, right? We recommend that you participate in all the parts of the program, of course, right? Apart from that, how will you get the feedback? Also sort of things you can get to know by going through this frequently asked question part, right? This is something that you can find on the provided link only. So that is it from my end, and I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you so much and all the best for your preparation.